What's up, everyone? We're full. Ten on the names. 1, 3. Bird gang yet? 7, 8, 9, 10. One. Ten. Those are your numbers. If there is a redemption, for some reason, I'll random it to the break. I don't think there will be, but if there is, Jacob T has any one of one, which in this is huge. All right, let's do this. Here we go. I'm going to do the bottom this time. Let's try the bottom. Good luck. What do you want me to do for Immaculate? For the redemption? Good luck. The first card. Wow. Carson Edwards, 1 of 1 for Jacob T. He's got the, what is that? The G in, that's sick. That is so cool. Wow. One of 1. Look at that patch. Jerseys. Jonathan Kuminga. 18 of 20. Goes to Richard. That's Tyrell's right. That's the G from the Big Ten. That's sick. What's this? Kai Jones, 20 of 25 for BK Layer. Look at this. They did a great job with this item. RPA. Jalen Johnson, 9 of 10. Asa, welcome to Blez. Asa, aloha. 9 of 10 out of Duke. What's this? Look at this. This is so cool. 14 of 25, Chauncey Billups. Peter! That's so cool. Yeah, man, I will. 14 of 25 of Chauncey Billups. They put a lot of vets in here. We have an autograph, Isaiah Jackson, 4 of 10 for VIP. Out of Kentucky, Chauncey Billups. You too, Matt. RPA, Jonathan Kuminga. It goes to the 14, Peter Fabiano. This stuff is good. Our first encased out of the University of Marquette. Look at that picture. Jimmy Butler. Look how young he looks there at Marquette. The only other great basketball player that played at Marquette was Dwayne Wade. The Jimmy Butler is 10 of 20. 10. It goes to JU. That's such a sick card. I love these old pictures. And the University of UCLA, Russell Westbrook. It's number 14 of 20. Peter is crushing it in the 14. And we have an RPA. Oh, wow, it's a good one. RPA of Jalen Green to the 4. Croup. Croup 1 spots to Jalen Green. This stuff is good. This stuff is good. That's number 3. Good stuff, Croup.